Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be talking about some holiday makeup for 2021, more specifically Tarte releases for the holidays. Tarte is probably one of the cutest brands when it comes to holiday releases. Definitely in second place because Too Faced always is like number one to my heart. I really like Tarte products. I'm not like the biggest fan of their eyeshadow formula, but I know a lot of people are. It's just not my jam, but I'm very excited to go over their holiday releases for 2021 with you guys, give you my thoughts and opinions, and if I was to purchase anything, what I would purchase. I want to know everyone's thoughts and opinions on all of these products down below. Do you plan on getting any for yourself, any as Christmas gifts? Let a girl know, and I will have a link down below as well where you can purchase. It is an affiliate link, but you guys know I appreciate you so much when you use my link. Also, if you're wondering what is on my eyes right now, I did use the brand new Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl eyeshadow palette, which is very good, but I also have a rant, so if you want to see that, I will have that video linked below. But yeah, if you guys are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal and holiday makeup lover, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much if you guys are watching this video right now. If you would do me the honor, hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so of course you guys know there's going to be a lot of holiday sets. So the first holiday set is the Shape Tape Star Squad Conceal and Brighten Duo. So what we have is the regular Shape Tape Concealer and the Glow Wand, which I haven't personally tried the Glow Wand before, but I don't know if you know this, but I love Tarte Shape Tape. I actually really like the Ultra Creamy one. I purchased this, and I don't think I'm gonna ever purchase the original Shape Tape because I'm getting older, okay, and I feel like the creamier the product under the eye, the better it lasts, the better like everything, because you know I'm getting older, okay, I'm almost 28. And it's time to start thinking about things when you get older. But there's 5 shade options here, which isn't like the best, but it's still like, you know, if it's in your shade range or somebody that you know's shade range, then this will be a cute little product to pick up, or if you want to test them out for the first time, cute little product to pick up. Then we have the Shape Tape Ultra Creamy Concealer Bestseller Set, which we love the creamy one. It's very good. We have several options here, and it is $29. So you get a mini man-eater mascara, a mini creamy concealer, and a mini, how do you pronounce this? Moroccan lip little pencil thingy. I actually really like that one. I have it. Hold on. I have one of them, and it's very, very, very good. So it's the Maracuja Juicy Lip, and it's like infused already with like the juice, and it's really, really good. So I think this is going to be a really good set. Plus I have had the Man-Eater mascara before. It's definitely a really good one, perfect for your lower lashes. And then we have the Bow and Go Maracuja Juicy Lip Duo. So you get 4. They're all extremely beautiful colors. This one's $35, and they're all full size, which is amazing. Let me see if it'll let you know what the shades are, and it's 2 duos in one. So we have Wild Berry and Orchard, Petal Pear, Petal, and Coconut. So yeah, these are good. I would say if you like a juicy lip and you like these nice neutrally very pretty like boring colors, then I think this would be a really great set to pick up, especially if you're wanting to give this to like your child. These are going to be great for like, you know, if they want to wear makeup to school, this one would be perfect for them because it's not like too much, you know. Then we have a Tarte Best of Lashes mascara gift set. So these are going to be 3 full size mascaras. So we have the Lash Smoothing Volumizing Hip Mascara, which I've never tried before. It's a vegan lash treatment and mascara in one that adds volume and curl. Never tried it. We have the Man Eater Mascara, which I have tried. I say is perfect for your lower lashes. The Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. Absolutely my #1 Tarte mascara. That one's so good. You always see them in gift sets and stuff because like everyone just has to have it. Then we have something that sounds like really good. Okay, something that you definitely always get in like Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers. You always get some kind of body product. This is what I would want. This is the Gingerbread Butter Whipped Body Butter for $28. I assume it's gonna smell like gingerbread. Oh yeah, it's a limited edition scent, so it's gonna smell like gingerbread, which just sounds amazing. So I think that'd be like a really good stocking stuffer. Then we have something I almost picked up, but I decided not to because I really just don't go for Tarte shadows. And then the one that I would have wanted was sold out. This is the Sweet Tarte eyeshadow palette. Packaging 10 out of 10, super cute, love the swirls. So we have the double shot and we have the frosted. Now I was wanting to pick up the frosted to review, but it's sold out right now, out of stock, but they're both really pretty. Neutral palette, absolutely beautiful, but I really wanted to try out the other one, but unfortunately it was sold out. But these are gonna be super cute like palettes, like to gift, like for real. And just note that a lot of these products, if they don't sell out, they usually go on like a really good sale for a while usually. So just stay tuned if you want anything out of these things for yourself and you don't want to spend the money but you're okay with waiting. Wait for a sale. It's usually before the holidays or just right after the holidays. Things will go on sale because who wants to sell Christmas stuff after Christmas? No one. So just keep that in mind. Then we have these new products, which isn't necessarily like a holiday release, but it's freshly like released, which sounds really cool. It's the Man Eater Blush and Glow Cheek Plump. I don't know why you want to plump your cheeks, but we have 4 of them here. These are 25 bucks. We have the shade Berry, Buff, Peachy Pink, and I don't know, this one doesn't have a name, but they don't seem to be like the best range for like all skin tones, but they are really beautiful if it'll work for you, but definitely not the best shade range. Okay. Then we have the Keep Balm. The dogs are barking. Keep Balm and Kiss On Best Sellers gift set. This is $29 and you get 3 full-size lippies for softness and shine. So what exactly are they? Let's see. We have the Man Eater Plumping Gloss, the Sugar Rush Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil, highly recommend, and the Awake by Tarte Lip Therapy Lip Mask. I would say I wouldn't buy this one. This one I'm just like, that's not the best value for what you can get. I don't know. I don't like that one as much. Then we have the Share Some Sugar Lip Balm Trio for $25. So you get, what shades are these? Pink Lemonade, which is a sheer pink, Fresh Press, which is a sheer nude, and Creamsicle Crush, which is a sheer peach. I think this is probably another one that you just don't necessarily need, but is a cute stocking stuffer if you have the extra money, because the thing about sheer lip balms is you're really not going to see much of a color difference at all on the lips. So having 3 of them being like different colors isn't like, you know, isn't very much necessary because it's just not, you know, it's not going to show up. So, yeah. So we have another one of these Shape Tape Concealer Best Seller set, except for this one is going to be the regular Shape Tape and not the creamy one. So if you're wanting the regular one or the creamy one, just make sure you look at the wording so you don't get the wrong one, because they're the exact same except for one's creamy and one's not. Then we have a set that I would say is definitely worth your money. This is $39, $75 value, the Best of Blush Amazonian Clay Blush Set. I have had 3 or 4 of these mini blushes before. I've decluttered them in the past because I just never really reached for them. But they're like top-notch amazing. Like, these are probably one of the best quality blushes out there, especially for the money, and the fact that you're getting 5 of them in different shades is like phenomenal. Like, anybody can sit here on YouTube and tell you that you're gonna need this because this is good. So 4 blushes and best-selling and limited edition. Oh, one of them is like a highlighter or something. New limited edition shades in Fantasy, Charmed, and Delight, plus Tartelet's favorite Exposed and Captivating, and a micro pearlescent flex mimic natural light. Oh, what is this? Okay, so we have 5 travel size Amazonian clay 12-hour blush and highlighter. Fantasy, which is a rose gold highlighter. Charmed, a bright pink blush. Exposed, a nude pink blush. Captivating, a bright peach blush. And Delight, a deep rose blush. Now, these might be mini, but they last forever. They last forever, okay? So don't be worried that you're gonna run through these real quick, because let's say it together. They last forever. Great. And I think we're almost done with all of the sets. We're almost done. So next we have the Man-Eater Pumped Up Lash Curler set for $18. This is actually so cute. The animal print. I would totally get it if I didn't already have a Tarte one that I use all the time. Where's my Tarte one at? Okay, this is mine from Tarte that I got in one of the like build your own kits. Love their freaking little clampy things. These are good. So I say 18 bucks just for the freaking curler is probably good enough. Then we have the Awake by Tarte Lip Therapy Mask, which is 20 bucks. The Tarte, the Nice List Full Face Collection for 32. So we have a blush, a highlighter, and some pretty neutral shades. Then you get a eyeliner and the Man-Eater mascara. I mean, they are really pushing that Man-Eater mascara. I think this is going to be a really good set for somebody that's new with makeup, because you get the liner and the mascara and the eyes right there, like you're done. And then cheeks and highlighter. There you go. All done. That one. That's it. Then we have the Lash Lifting Trio for 20 bucks. Again, I would pick it up just for the curlers alone. I love these curlers. This one is really cute, like pink and gold. Then you have a oh, it's a collectible lash curler, limited edition. So you got the mini mascara in little Tarte lights, camera action, whatever, and then a lash primer, which I don't really believe in lash primers. They don't work for me. It just clumps them up. But if you're into primers, here you go. Again, love them. Then we have the Eye Enhancers Best-Selling Eyeliner Gift Set. This is $29. You get 3 liners. You get, let's see, what do you get? You get the Man-Eater Self-Sharpening Eyeliner in black, the Sugar Rush Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner in bronze, and the Double Take Eyeliner in black, which I love. It has the actual pencil, and it has the liner, and the pencil you kind of have to warm up a little bit for it to go on your lids or your eyes, but other than that, it's pretty good. $29 for the set, not worth it in my opinion, only because I wouldn't say they're my favorite liners. They're not my favorite, and I've gotten a set of the double takes for like 11 bucks, and there was 3 of them in there, so really just not the best value, but you know, if you're into them, then you're into them. And then we're going to talk about the last product here, which is actually kind of cool. The 30 Second Eyes Shadow and Liner. I love me a good shadow stick. I wear shadow sticks probably more often than actual eyeshadow, if I'm being honest. So this is 29 bucks, and you get the Rose Gold Luster and Brown Liner, Golden Bronze Luster and Bronze Liner, and the Golden Pink Luster with Black Liner. And the Quick Stick is waterproof, and so is the liner. So this one I would probably pick up because they're really cute, and I don't know, I like shadow sticks. But that is what we have seen so far for holiday releases from Tarte. I have to say I'm pretty impressed. I really like that butter whipped body butter, and the palettes and the blushes. Okay, those are good. The maracuja, pretty good. I think these are pretty good giftable sets, especially the Nice List full face collection. That one's good. I think that anybody, if you receive these as a gift, you're going to be very happy. And if you're wanting to gift these to someone, I think they're going to be very happy. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you plan on picking anything up or any of that? Let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!